You can expect a lot from the 2011 Audi S5. This two-door, four-passenger coupe stands out among competitors in its class. Audi made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. A 4.2-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including a leather steering wheel, a power seat, heated seats, a headlight cleaning system, heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and power windows. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.